Let me ask you a very uncomfortable question. If your business stopped working tomorrow, how much money would you lose? Not revenue, not profit. How much cash will you lose? Because most business owners don't realize one simple thing. Every dollar they put into their business is already at risk. And today I want to show you a simple mental model that can immediately increase the amount of money your business keeps without working harder, without new customers, and without new investments. I'm Ravi Gabis, and welcome back to the Gabis Show, where we unlock the secrets of real wealth in the United States every single day. Today is a special episode 50, and we'll continue our conversation about business. You already know my position. I'm in favor of starting businesses from scratch without investments. Last time I explained why, but before we move on to the techniques of how to start a business from zero, I want to give you something extremely practical today. I want to show you how to get more money from the businesses you already have today. If you remember the money kaleidoscope, we talked about one of its axes called business. And on this axis, you only have two levers. On one side, sales. On the other side, expense control. Your job as a business owner is very simple. In theory, increase sales and reduce unnecessary spending. But today I want to give you a mental principle, a framework for decision making that changes how you look at every dollar in your business. Here's the principle. In strict financial management, any money you put into your business should be treated as a lost money. Why? Because a business is a high risk investment tool. The moment you put money into it, you become an investor, and investors can lose money. Even if you started your business from scratch, from zero, without outside investments, the moment your business starts generating cash, you begin spending it. You pay suppliers, you pay rent, you pay salaries, you pay for marketing, services, subscriptions. We call these things expenses, but in reality, you're investing money back into your business. And the moment you invest money, you must expect a return. If we circle back to the investor axis of the money kaleidoscope, we know one simple rule. An investor must make money on his money. That means every dollar you put into your business must increase the amount of money coming back. If it doesn't happen, it's not an investment, it's a leak. This one idea alone can completely change your business. Let me give you a simple example. Imagine you own a jewelry store in Manhattan. You have white marble floors, it's fall, it's winter, it's dirty outside. People walk in and the floor gets messy. Does daily cleaning affect your sales? Yes, it absolutely does. Clean floors support trust, perception, and comfort. That janitor makes you money. Now let's take a different business. You sell wholesale across the country. Clients never visit your office. They don't know where you sit. But you rent an A-class office in Manhattan and pay thousands of dollars every single month. Does that increase sales? Very unlikely. In that case, the same expense doesn't create a return. And that's the difference. Here is the filter you should use. Every expense must answer one of two questions. Does this create a new stream of customers? Or does this help sell more to existing customers? If the answer is no, you can cut it. Office water, does it increase value? No. Your employees can bring their own water. Unnecessary subscriptions, fancy furniture, prestige locations, cut them. This is one of the fastest ways to increase real profit. Now, an important clarification. In business, you cannot grow only by cutting expenses. That works in personal finance, but not in business. Business is a money machine. If money doesn't come in, there's no business. Sales are always the first priority. When sales are growing strongly, your business will forgive you almost everything. Chaos, mistakes, inefficiencies, but when growth slows down, expense control becomes critical. So the priority is simple. Sales first, cost control second, but both must exist. Today I wanted to give you a mental framework, not a tactic. Treat every dollar in your business as an investment. Expect a return. Cut everything that doesn't produce one. Tomorrow we'll move to the second lever and talk specifically about how to increase sales in your business. That's enough for today. See you tomorrow. Bye.